Alright, I'm going to talk to you about something that may seem silly, but once you have used different kinds, you'll know how important this is. And I'm talking about my pencil. Now, in the past, I used to use, yeah, I know I got two. One is the one I've been using, and this one's fresh. I'll get to show you what the difference of the two. In the past, I used to use the cheap 5-cent pencils, and they were constantly breaking. I was constantly having to sharpen them, and it would be really frustrating. Then I bumped up to a more expensive pencil and thought, wow, this is great, this is working awesome. Then my daughter came home the one day and she said, the world's greatest pencil on it, Daddy, and I thought you had to try it. So I tried it, and I can say with 100% guarantee that it is the world's best pencil. It's called Ticonderoga. And I'm trying to say that 10 times fast, I'm not going to be able to. It took me a long time to figure that name out. But they are an awesome pencil. The company is great. I've been talking to the sales rep there, the guy there, and he's just a neat guy. And I explained to him, I said, without a shadow of a doubt, my production went up 15%. And I noticed it, and it doesn't really make sense to most people, but when you've done it and used it for so long, it's unbelievable what a pencil can do. So something as silly as that, and I'm probably rambling, this is a great way to go. And if you're going to pick a pencil, Ticonderoga is the way to go.